tiptoe quiet, the moon's on patrol, marching past slippers and a cereal bowl. Feathers are flying, the trumpets all play. It's time to begin the pillow parade. Puff, puff, poof, and a snuggle or two, marching with blankets in lavender blue. Fluff up your dreams, let your yawns cascade. You're part of the magical pillow parade. Pillows with buttons and bows in a line, dancing on tiptoes, they're perfectly fine. One plays a kazoo, one juggles a sock, and Mr. Snore leads with a tick-tock clock. Puff, puff, poof, and a snuggle or two, marching with blankets in lavender blue. Fluff up your dreams, let your yawns cascade. You're part of the magical pillow parade. When stars start to giggle and bedtime draws near, the march gets softer. Oh, listen, it's clear. A lullaby hum, a teddy bear twirl, and sleep wraps around every boy, every girl. And snow